Hello, welcome to Missy Arts channel. So as you know, I am a digital artist and use IBIS Paint X. So one of my subscriber is finding IBIS Paint app features difficult. But worry not, my friend. This tutorial will help you a lot. So let's start our video. For today's tutorial, I am using IBIS Paint Window version. Mobile and window version is the same, so don't worry. Okay, so this is my gallery. Drawing you made will be shown here with all the layers data, so if you want to change something, you can easily redo it. Click the plus button. It will show you a menu. You can change the canvas size or select the pre-made canvas sizes. It's your choice. From the import picture button, you can upload any image to the canvas. So let's go to the canvas area. This is the canvas or main screen. We draw here. The menu on the left is the tool menu, like brushes, eraser, filter, and many other features. You can import picture from here too. You can move around the picture or adjust it like you want. You just need to drag the picture. Then a dialog box will appear. Click OK. It will extract your image to the canvas. From these three lines, you can drag your layer above and beneath. From here, you can change your canvas background to transparent or colored. This is the color wheel. You choose any shade from here. Drag on the color wheel and it will give you a variety of shade and colors. If you want to save a color or make a palette of your favorite color, you can just drag the color and put it on the empty color slots. This is the brush menu. We have hundreds of brushes here for different purpose. This is where we can change the size of brush. This is the opacity bar. If you like a brush and want to use it frequently, then add it to custom brush. Then whenever you want a brush, you won't have to scroll thousands of meters down. And from the online menu, you can search brushes that other artists recommend. They are all posted online. Okay, so what did we learn so far? We learned about brushes, color wheel, brush size and opacity, then background of canvas and canvas sizes. This was pretty much basic things in IBIS Paint X. This is the first part of the tutorial. I cut down the video into parts cause whole video would have been so long. Now go and open your app and practice all the thing you just learned. And stay tuned for part 2. We'll post it tomorrow. Then bye.